you're not ready for what's going to happen. The XRP coin may reach an all-time high this year because of all the big events going on around it. What a cool thing. But where does their energy come from? This video is very important for people who own XRP. Do not miss a single second. Disclaimer: a Forbes writer recently said that the cryptocurrency market is getting ready for a big event in which digital assets like Bitcoin and XRP will play a big role. The Forbes writer acknowledges that XRP and Bitcoin have done very well and projects that a lot of money will flow into the cryptocurrency market, which will cause Bitcoin to rise. The information that was stolen says that depends on the long-awaited approval of the Bitcoin Spot Exchange Traded Fund. The head of the New York Stock Exchange talked about the Bitcoin ETF and said that it would bring money into the business. It's really easy to get. Bitcoin is trusted by many. Bitcoin is a wonderful idea. It keeps money safe. Let me quickly describe what an ETF is if you don't know. A Bitcoin exchange traded fund is a type of stock that follows the price of Bitcoin. It lets people invest in Bitcoin without having to buy and store it themselves. You can buy and sell ETFs on standard stock exchanges, just like you can buy and sell stocks. They make it easy for people to trade in Bitcoin in a safe and organized way. The ETF owns Bitcoin, and its value changes as the price of Bitcoin on the market changes. By using this method, investors can share in the gains or losses of Bitcoin without having to deal with Bitcoin directly. If Bitcoin ESR is accepted and made available, it will be a big deal in the world of money. It could make more big investors and regular people want to start dealing in cryptocurrencies. Because of this, Bitcoin ETFs connect the real world of money with the world of cryptocurrencies. They make it easy for people who don't know much about cryptocurrencies to invest in Bitcoin in a safe and secure way. A wider range of buyers may be interested in this because it is easier for more people to get to. The head of the New York Stock Exchange has a view that is in line with how the market is feeling right now, and made stronger by BlackRock's latest plan for a Bitcoin spot ETF. According to a member of the group, when BlackRock registered, everyone on Wall Street went crazy trying to set up a Bitcoin fund. BlackRock is a big company that handles money for a lot of different people and groups. For example, people saving for retirement or big companies investing their money come to BlackRock for help. They do this by starting and running investment funds that put money into stocks, bonds, and other assets that will help the money they are in charge of grow. You can think of them as a big company that helps people and businesses make smart bets in money. There are even rumors that BlackRock is buying Bitcoin in secret. The excitement and confidence that BlackRock has shown in the Bitcoin ETF is notable. This fits with how positive and sure they are that the Bitcoin ETF will be passed. Don't you believe me? Here's something that might make you think again. The owner of a secret wallet has gained over 11,000 Bitcoins worth about $400 million since November 10. This makes them the 74th largest BTC holder. Online rumors say it has something to do with one of the many US asset management companies that are trying to get government approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF. However, it's not clear if this kind of front-running is allowed to meet possible demand. If a spot ETF is passed, fund managers will have to keep a lot of Bitcoin in their possession. What do you think? Is it true that BlackRock is buying Bitcoin behind the scenes? Type your ideas in the space below. People may be asking why XRP and BlackRock are buying Bitcoin now that the Bitcoin ETF is likely to be approved. I'll explain why the XRP ETF is important. The Bitcoin ETF will be accepted, which almost everyone already knows. What do these changes mean for altcoins? If Bitcoin is confirmed, will other cryptocurrencies start to show up on the ETF? Will the ETF's acceptance of Bitcoin change the whole world of cryptocurrencies? This could be very big for XRP. XRP is a way to pay for things online. Ripple is an expert at making cross-border trades quick and easy. There are a few things that make Ripple different from other coins. It can quickly handle a lot of transactions and has its own unique way of agreeing on transactions. Also, there will only ever be 100 billion XRP coins, which could make their value go up over time. One thing that makes XRP unique is that Ripple works a lot with big businesses and banks, while many other coins are more focused on small businesses and individuals. One thing that makes XRP stand out among cryptocurrencies is its connection to big banks. If there was an XRP exchange-traded fund, things might be very different. People who want to trade an XRP could do so through an ETF instead of holding the coin themselves. This might make more people want to invest in XRP. That includes big businesses. You can trade ETFs on regular stock platforms, so having an XRPF may make the XRP market more active. If lots of people are excited about an XRPFVF and want to invest in it, the price of XRP might go up for a short time. Governments need to make sure that XRPF is fair and safe for buyers before it can be made. Having XRPF would show that XRP is becoming more accepted in regular financial markets. This could make cryptocurrencies look like better financial choices. When people buy XRP as an investment, they might feel safer if it is part of a controlled investment, like an ETF. If the XRPF works, Ripple, the company that made XRP, may be able to get more partnerships and attention from big banks. In general, XRPF might make it easier for a wider range of investors to put money into. XRP could change how people think about it as a financial chance. Also, the head of the New York Stock Exchange talked about Coinbase experts who think that the coming boom in Bitcoin ETFs will be huge for the over $48 trillion market. The wealth management business is aiming to get into the Bitcoin market on a large scale. A Forbes writer also pointed out a good thing that happened for crypto traders. Grayscale, which manages more crypto assets than any other company in the world, won a court case against a U.S. authority. The court told the SEC to look into it. Even though most Forbes contributors were excited about Grayscale's plan to become a Bitcoin spot ETF, some market experts were skeptical about how it might affect the market. Many people think that Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs will be quickly approved and eagerly launched, but the CEO of one of the biggest crypto exchanges says that uptake will be more gradual and less. As of right now, the CEO of the ETF is in the process of investing in crypto. The CEO of a big cryptocurrency exchange thinks that making a Bitcoin ETF could increase demand for Bitcoin, drive up prices, and change the public's view of Bitcoin from something that might be seen negatively to something that sees it positively, which would lead to widespread acceptance. Lastly, other digital assets, such as XRP, are likely to go up in value when the value of Bitcoin goes up after a Bitcoin spot ETF is introduced. What do you think about that? Do you think the XRP ETF will show up? Tell us what you think below.